Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to IITs classes. Am I audible? Guys, please respond. So, guys, quickly respond those who are watching this session. Yeah, thank you, guys. So, guys, let's start today's session. Yeah. So, again, guys, welcome to IITs classes. And this is in brief about me. Okay. And guys, agenda of today's session to discuss cutoff for namaskara, guys, namaskara. Thank you, Devans. So today's session will be all about discussing cutoff from previous year from 2024 admissions. Okay, for MTech, MS, MTech research, and PhD in premier institutes like IISc, IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, and other IITs for aerospace engineering paper. Okay, so guys, before moving to session, I want to tell guys, currently admissions are open for gate 26 and 27, passing students and passed out students. Okay, and there are different courses available in IGC, gate online coaching, target gate course, gate online test series, and distance learning program. So guys, if you are looking to do better than what you have done, you can, you can be free to join IGC courses. Okay, and those who are planning to prepare in future also can join IGC courses, and you guys can also recommend if you have done well IGC courses to your fellow mates and juniors, because IGC is most sincere institute in India for gate aerospace engineering, and you guys can tell happily we are number one institute in terms of everything, in terms of providing support, in terms of getting best result, in terms of producing PSU, uh, PSU fellows and many more things. Yeah. In ISC with 785 gate score, no, it is very tough. Apurva with 785 gate score, the list cutoff in last few years in ISC in general it is 806, and that is in 2023 admission. Okay. Yeah, we'll discuss further. Not to worry, Mr. Apur. Okay, so before moving to session further, these are the best achievers. You guys can see in top 100, we have close to 25 people, and in top 200, we have around 45 people. Okay, so this is what IGC's strength, and you guys can see other institutes result. What we have in top 20, that much only they have in top 100. Even some institute have not published even result also, right? So all kudos to hard work of you all IGCians, and you all have made us proud, and team IGC's hard work is also appreciated, right? So guys, quickly thumbs up. You all are happy with IGC's success, right? Apurva, I think you may not be from IGC, but you can see the IGC's achievements. Okay, thank you guys. And again, congratulations all IGCians uh, for your grand success, and hopefully what we want to achieve in the future, which is like 50 people in top 100, uh, this 2026 experience will make that possible. Okay. So, guys, we have admission open for GATE Aerospace Online Coaching Program, and our upcoming batch is from April 22nd. So, currently, our Feb 23rd batch is going on, and the upcoming batch is from April 22nd. So, guys, again, be free to share IGC works with your fellow friends, juniors, and other mates. Okay, if somebody is looking for best sincere support or a team support, not like just learning from one or two person and then mugging things, and by chance or by luck you get result. Okay, Sayed Sabas with 662 OBC, you will get many options. Okay. So, guys, thank you. Let's start. Yeah, before moving, what were IGCN's admission? So, close to 90 students got in different premier institutes. Majority of them got through COP and few through CCMT. So, currently, this IIST, DIAT, and NITs, they take admission through CCMT, and IITs take through COP. Okay, so 90 students, and if you take three major IIT Madras, IIT Kanpur, and IIT Bombay. Can anybody tell how many students we got in these three top IITs? Can anybody tell? Any guess, Mr. Apur, Devans, Shayad Shabas? How many students we got in these three top IITs? I'm just asking because you guys should know the track record of IGC. Most of you may be IGCians who are watching this session. They should also know because now you are applying in different places. Anybody? So Nishit, are you aware? 45, 40, Saurabh 40, 45, huh? Devans 40. No, this number is way higher. It is 55. Right? So we total 55 students from IGC we got all together in these three IITs. It's a huge number, right? That is like one class of one college, right? That one batch of one college, right? Of 1 year. Right? So in IIT Madras, we got 20, IIT Kanpur 22, IIT Bombay 13. Am I correct? This addition is 55, yes or no? Mr. Saurabh Devans and others. Okay, so that's how IGC works in terms of post-gate support. Clear, guys? And as together we got 90 students, then we got 7 students in IISc, and then in different other IITs we have got around 9 students in IIST, I think 3 students in DIAT, and many other colleges. Okay, fine. So let's start, guys. The most important part, which is like cutoff of IISc Bangalore. So Apurva, you can see the last year cutoff in general it was 827, in EWS it was 740, and OBC 780, SC ST. In ST it is quite low, 385, but in SC it is 693, and women quota 673. Okay, and guys, this 827 gate score was AR 11, and he is from IGC and he joined IISc Bangalore. And this women quota also, this 673 gate score is also from IGC. Okay, one of our students from SRM University, she did BTech from SRM. Her name is Agrawal. Okay, you guys can see in the track. Let me check her name quickly to tell you guys. Okay, you guys can see in that video. Okay, later. Fine. So this is what. So guys, the one thing in IISc, there is women quota. Mr. Apuru, even in 22, and this is for 24 admission. Okay, and in 23 admission also, the women candidate with around 749 gate score got admission. Okay, but women candidates. Okay. Uh, Let me inform on COP. Okay. See, that's what Apurva. The 25 ranker was girl. Okay. Apurva. And there was one 25 ranker. He is joined robotics. So you can get in ISC, but in aerospace, yeah, Apurva, you can get ISC, but not in aerospace. You can get in robotics, smart manufacturing. Is it clear? And 25 ranker, as I'm telling, women quota. We got two students with around 25 ranker in ISC in 23 admission. Okay, but possibly they got under women quota. If you go and check the official cutoff for 23, it was for general 806. Okay. Yeah. So guys, now further MTech research. So these are the MTech research cutoff. Exact cutoffs are not there. These cutoffs to call people for interview. So if you have gate score above 600, you may get call from IISc Bangalore for interview. Same thing for OBC, SC 420, ST 420, but EWS again 600. Okay. Clear everyone? So if you have gate score above 600 in ISC, you can apply for MTech research. Okay. Anyone any concern or doubt? So if what happens in ISC, why cutoffs are high in aerospace paper? Because in ISC, aerospace engineering is chosen by many other stream paper also. Clear? Like the ME paper, double E paper, chemical, and other engineering gate paper, gate, score holder also, gate score holder also join MTech Aerospace, and number of seats are only 19. Okay, everyone, is it clear? Yes or no, quickly? And if you guys are finding this session is useful, please guys like this session, and you guys can share with your fellow mates. Because till now, other than IGC, nobody has provided any post gate guidance support, right? IGC has already done multiple sessions for post gate. So you guys, okay, so let's move to next important institute, IIT Bombay. So guys, IIT Bombay also mentions cutoff, which are their minimum required cutoff. Like in general or EWS, you need to have minimum 500 gate score to get a seat in IIT Bombay. For OBC 450 and SC/ST 333. Now guys, what happened? In IIT Bombay, getting admission is tough when COAP round happens. So usually will have two kind of cutoff. One is during COAP rounds, and then during sport round. So what happens always in IIT Bombay, if any seat is vacant, okay, many people after taking admission they may withdraw. So those seats will be filled in August month in sport round. So you can see in general the cutoff from IGC, the guy who got in sport round is 520. Okay, so 520 score means what is the gate ranks, guys, this year? With 520 gate is 520. What is the score? What is the rank? Around 300, right? Anybody can tell? With the 520 gate score, what is the rank this year? Uh, I think Saurabh, it is tough with 552 gate score OBC, because from IGC you can see it is 581. Okay, I can't say, but in sport round it was only 458. The cutoff in sport round for OBC it was 458, and you can see for SCST the initial cutoff is 565. I don't have cutoff data for open round. Okay, so 520 gate score, anybody can tell this year what is rank, guys? If you guys can tell, it's good. Otherwise I need to check. Anyone having around 520 gate score who are watching this session? Yeah, so I think it is close to 300. Yeah, it is close to 300, right? It is 300 plus minus, right? So guys, even if you have a rank around 300 plus minus, and you can be a lucky person. Okay, clear, guys? Yeah, it is there, Parthiv. That is there. There were people who got admission in IIT Hyderabad. Okay, in COP, because sport admission will not be under COP, and those guys have withdrawn, and with this gate score they joined IIT Bombay. Clear? That is possible. Okay, so here we have added sport round admission data also from IGC admissions. So guys, any doubt? Those who are watching this session, any doubt, guys? Okay, so guys, quickly thumbs up. Let's move to next IIT, IIT Kanpur. So guys, IIT Kanpur again, they do not share, guys, official cutoff. So we will share the cutoff from IGC students data. So these are the courses available in IIT Kanpur. You can do MTech in aerospace engineering, MS in aerospace engineering by research. You can do MTech in UAV systems. There are two specialization in that. One is autonomy and another is aeromechanics and design. And then you guys can do PhD also. Now, guys, MTech. So from IGC, the least gate score in general it is 566. Uh, Saurabh, what is your gate score? 552, right? In OBC, yes, possible. So around that, around 200 rankers, they have got structures. There is possibility you apply for computational mechanics also. So either structures or computational mechanics, I consider there is not much of difference in these courses. Okay, you can do structures or you can do computational mechanics, means solid mechanics. The your project in solid mechanics. Okay. Now for EWS, the minimum cutoff from IGC, it is 473, and the total data, it is 20 students who got in MTech from IGC in IIT Kanpur. Okay. Now what is the doubt? Sir, 223 score ST in IIT, yes, possible. You can see na ST, even in ISC, cutoff for ST was low, 385. Your is 323. So if you see the cutoff for IIT Bombay, 323. No, IIT Bombay is ruled out. Okay, then ISC is ruled out. More of you may get in IIT Kanpur. Okay, and you can get in IIT Kharagpur also. We'll see. We'll see other IITs. Okay, Mr. Harkhongor, Sinithya, yeah, Shinita. Okay, Cynthia. Sorry. Others, yeah, 667 OBC is quite good. Others, 666 OBC is a good score. You can see in 666, if you take IGC data, you will get IIT Bombay easily. If you IIT Kanpur also, and mostly you will get in IIT Madras also. Now let's see the next. IIT Madras. So IIT Madras ST cutoff is 281. Yes. So Cynthia, you have good chances to get in IIT Kanpur and IIT Madras also. Okay. And in IIT Madras, there are two kind of seats. One is HTTA. HTTA means half-time teaching assistantship. So in you will get stipend from first semester itself, from first month itself. But if you are non-HTTA, NHTTA means first semester you will not get stipend. Second semester you may get stipend subjected to your CGPA and other requirement. Now, what is that, Mr. Random? Get A score 580 general. Yeah, old IITs you can see 580 gate score. Yes, non-HTTA IIT Madras it is 577. So you are on edge with 580 gate score. IIT Bombay sport round is there and MTech IIT Kanpur. So you have chances IIT Kanpur, okay, and then IIT Madras non-HTTA. Mr. Nishit, you have many chances with EWS. You can see IIT Bombay, आराम से IIT Kanpur happily and IIT Madras also. You can see IIT Madras EWS, no HTTA 600 and non HTTA 508. So you will get IIT Madras also based on previous data, but it may subjected to change this year. Clear, Nishit? So don't worry. And if you take IGC data, so IGC data, we have a, okay, before that I didn't cover, na guys, MS and PhD at IIT Kanpur. So guys, you can see MS and PhD at Kanpur. In general, the minimum score is 493 MS in structures. Okay. So those who are having gate score like 500 plus minus in general, they must apply for MS or MTech research program. Now, general direct PhD also one of our students got in general with 377 gate score. Okay, so guys, IIT Kanpur provide MS by research or PhD, direct PhD. Now, what are the questions? Which is better, MTech research at ISC or MTech at IIT Madras? Like both are good. There is nothing like if you have more time, you can go ISC because MTech research take time. You can't finish in 2 years easily. Okay, so it is your absolute your choice when you passed your engineering, Mr. Shair. Okay, and when you passed first thing your engineering, and what is your motivation behind which course? Okay, is the IIT Convex gate axis score what IIT Madras MS cutoff for that? Yeah, IIT Madras I will discuss further. IIT Madras accept gate axis score. I am not sure about IIT Kanpur. Okay, Mr. Arnab. Now, Prashant, what is there is any possibility to cold IITs with 490 watt cutoff? What is the category? It depends on all category. You can get old IIT. You can see here MS research. Then I will go. I will tell Mr. Shahid you go IIT Madras. Okay, now come to IIT Madras. So you can see the cutoff. So cutoff for HTTA will be higher and non-HTTA will be there. And I think there are quite good number of seats are there in IIT Madras for MTech. I don't know exact number, but it is like 50 plus minus something. Okay, you guys can see in a brochure. So OBC category, yeah, you have chances, Mr. Prasanna. See, with OBC category 490, you can see here in IIT Madras non-HTTA. Okay, IIT Madras non-HTTA, you can see. So you are on edge. But if you see here, IIT Kanpur, it is higher, but you don't know. There may be students from other institute or self-studying. They may have got with 490. We don't know. So you should apply. Okay, and you can also apply. In MS or MTech research. Okay, what is 58? I don't know. 58 mean Mr. Cricket Official. Okay, now IIT Madras take MS. So if you see IIT Madras MS, we have got one students with 450 gate score, MS from OBC, and in general direct PhD one person got, okay, with 516 gate score, and in OBC 547 gate score got MS. Okay, so these are the data for IIT Madras. Anyone having any further doubt or concern? So there are no data for MS propulsion aerodynamics for general that I can't create, na, Mr. Arnab. What we have that I have presented. Okay. Non-HTTA, right? Yes, you will get, na, Mr. Saurabh. I think 552. The cutoff is 489. Saurabh, you are the same guy who is in DIAT. I am asking one question. Are you an IGCN from last year? Just answer my question. Aniket Bhagat, 340 SC. 340, yeah, SC, na? Yes. You can get IIT Madras. Non-HTTA, you can see 347. Aniket. I think IIT Kanpur, we don't have data, but you must apply. Okay. Okay. So XCI applied MS IT Madras applied mechanics will apply for. Yeah, you can apply. Okay, Saurabh, good. Okay, but I think I have sent you some WhatsApp. I didn't get any response from you, Mr. Saurabh. Okay, so do respond to my WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, fine then. Yeah, so let's move to IIT Kharagpur. So unfortunately, nobody from IGC last year joined IIT Kharagpur. Even if somebody joined, I don't have data. Okay, but if you see official cutoffs, major means it is from aero paper, minor is from non-aero paper. So from aero, in general, from general, IIT Kharagpur cutoff is 522, EWS 481, OBC 497, SC 351, ST 298. So these are the cutoffs at IIT Kharagpur, but from IGC in last admission, nobody joined IIT Kharagpur. Yeah, which is better? How can I say which is better? Both are good. You choose based on you are from South India or North India. You can choose based on your that kind of thing, demography or your choice, food, all. Okay, both are good places. I'm no one to comment ki IIT Madras is good or IIT Bombay is good. Both are the best IITs. Okay, but in both places, including IIT Kanpur, all professors are excellent. Okay, so guys, let's move to next other IITs other than these IITs. No, in IIT Kharagpur, you will get admission aerospace engineering, like IIT Madras. So IIT Madras, IIT KGP, I heard they are planning for specialization, Swarab. They were in process to do, but yet last till last year they didn't. And then IISc Bangalore, they all give admission in aerospace engineering, and then in second year you can choose your project related subjects. Okay. So now let's look into other IITs other than IIT Hyderabad with OBC with 504 gate score. One person got in Techno Entrepreneurship MTech. IIT Delhi OBC 477 MTech in Atmospheric Ocean Sciences. IIT Roper OBC 470 gate score Computational Mechanics. IIT Roorkee General EWS 466 gate score MTech Space Science and Technology. IIT Roper General 450 gate score. General guys 450 gate score. The person got computational mechanics. IIT Guwahati 439 propulsion aerodynamics, and then IIT Guwahati 454 aerodynamics and propulsion. So guys, again, if your gate score and you are in general 450 to 500, you guys must apply to IIT Guwahati also. You guys should apply to IIT Dharwad also, and I will give the range 450 to 550, not even 500, because 450 to 550 in general not a safe score. So they must apply to IIT Dharwad, IIT Guwahati, IIT Roorkee, IIT Guwahati, IIT Roorkee, and IIT Indore. Okay, guys, if you listen us, you can become an IITian without 1 year of further drop or any other trauma. If you want to prepare, yeah, IIT Hyderabad, no, I have given data, no. I think in IIT Hyderabad from IGC this year only one some people got, but they then dropped actually. I told na Arjun, one guy in fact with 458 score finally got IIT Hyderabad in OBC, he left. Or maybe some other guy in IIT Hyderabad, I have not kept data. I think one girl is there, Anaga or someone. That should be some students in IIT Hyderabad. Uh, Mr. Arjun, let me check. I think quickly. Let me check. So you guys are looking for IIT Hyderabad, right? Let me check for IIT Hyderabad. Yeah, I don't have. Prior year, I think two people joined. Okay. Yeah, Anaga, thermofluid. But she joined in this 24 or 23. Okay, guys, so let's move further. Now, guys, IIST Trivandrum. So, guys, IIST Trivandrum will take admission through CCMT, and you guys can get all the details in this CCMT link. Okay, they give lot of data on this cutoffs, eligibility, everything they provide. So on this link, and from IGC we got 9 students, and you guys can see these are the cutoff. Okay, so you can see in SCST the cutoff is 296, and OBC it's close to 343. General it is around 385. So officially, they give the minimum cutoff criteria to apply in IIST. So if you are in general, the minimum gate score you will get, qualifying gate score will be 350. So they consider 350 as a minimum. Okay. Same, I think in OBC it is 315. Okay. EWS OBC and 250 for SCST. Okay. So these are the cutoff. So if your gate score is in general 400 plus minus, of course you must apply in IIST, and it will be through CCMT counseling. Okay, earlier IIST was separately doing its own admission. Now it is through under CCMT. Same thing for DIAT. So from DIAT, only 3 students from IGC took admission in UAVs, and you guys can see in SCST 223, General 420, General EWS 327. So these are some cutoffs for DIAT. For more information, you guys can visit this link. Okay, so guys, apart from UAVs, you guys can do your masters in these missiles and guided missile technologies. I think in missiles, rocket and missiles, you guys can do masters in rocket and missiles. You guys can also do your masters in new simulations, like, okay, mathematics simulations. You can also do your masters in AIML or data science from DIIT. Okay, so based on your interest, you can apply for DIITs. Any doubt, guys? Now, guys, apart from DIIT and IIST, you can apply in all NITs and this triple IIT DM Kanchipuram. So, officially, I have only 2 students data from IGC, and you guys can see in general, somebody with 358 gate score got thermal engineering in NIT Bhopal, and in OBC with 354 gate score, somebody got smart manufacturing. So these were the cutoff data. So you guys should have now clear idea, like Mr. Arjun, don't be over optimistic in terms of placement. Placement varies a lot. Somebody might have got 13 LP and all, but it depends. Usually, it is like 8 to 10 LPA in the mediocre company. Okay, even people have joined 6 to 8 LPA also. But the one time one of our students got in Bharat Dynamics Limited, BDL go for campus placement sometime. Okay, so our IGC students got in BDL, Bharat Dynamics Limited. It's a government PSU. Okay, that post is assistant manager post. Okay, so don't believe, but I have heard around some people have joined with 6 to 8 LPA also. Some startup companies in Bangalore. Okay, but there are many UAV companies in India, guys. So if you join that DIIT course now, you have good placement perspective. Okay, Mr. Arjun, and lot of learning is there. Now, guys, again, let's look into some of IGC's previous achievements. So you guys can see similarly, like 25, we have excellent ranks in 24 also. You can see so many people in top, 200. That's how we got. Uh, Shivang, it will be low. The cutoff for IIT Dharwad will be low. Okay, from last 2 year, from IGC, nobody joined IIT Dharwad. But if I remember, in 22 admission, many people joined IIT Dharwad, Shivang. Clear? The cutoff should be not high. It should be around 400 to 450 around for a general OBC categories and all. Clear? So guys, IGCNs always rocks. You guys can see, and prior to 24 also you guys can see always we get 25 30 people in top 100. You can see the track from 23 also, you can see from 22 also, you can see from 2021. So IGC is only institute in India which produces consistently top 10 ranks. This year those so called best institute even couldn't get a single guy in top 10. Okay, I just want to say this remark not with happy mode but with us. Yeah, IIT Delhi atmospheric sciences I have given na cutoff from OBC, the from IGCNs with OBC with 477 gate score got in IIT Delhi. But usually guys in IIT Delhi cutoffs are high. Okay, because many people go in IIT Delhi and then they prepare for UPSC, Mr. Shivang. Okay, so guys, these are the recent PSU achievers from IGC. So again, IGC as same like GATE consistently producing ranks, right? Same like we are consistently getting our students in PSUs as and when opportunities comes. So recently we got 4 DRDO scientists in 2024. We have got 2 plus 2, two more people. These 2 plus 2 in AIESL, because the other two guys have informed later. And you guys can see in 23 we have got so many scientists in DRDO and ADA. Sorry, these are DGCA, not DRDO. So you can see around 10 plus people we got air safety officers post in India, which is like officer A post, and we have got airworthiness officer also post. Today I have spoken with this guy. Okay, and guys, these are the recent previous our DRDO scientist achievers, and these are in HL, design trainee post engineer. So in 24, guys, no PSU job camp. Basically, in 24, there was no new advertisement either from HL, from DRDO, or from ISRO. So guys, or from DGCA. So you guys can expect in 25 some advertisement from these government PSUs. So be ready guys. Already guys, currently NL has given post for scientist post with MTech degree. So there are many posts in NL with MTech in aerospace. Okay, so and I have told my students around 6 months back, Saurabh, right, ki NL will post in upcoming days. What is IISc CCMD course? I think in IISc there are other courses also there. Saurabh, I have shared today cutoff in group. If you want, I can add you in group, that postgate group. You join there, you will get. There are other courses also in IISc like quantum technology. I think atmospheric science is also there, so you can check those courses. But in IISc, generally we recommend three courses. One is aerospace engineering, one is robotics, and another is smart manufacturing. So these are the recommendation from IGC. Okay. Now, guys, you guys can look into IGC's achievement for your future benefit. Okay. So there was one question. before that. Uh, MTech research is good or MTech? MTech research is always tougher than MTech, Mr. Aniket. So if you want in life more challenges, then only go for MTech research. Okay. Sport round, yes, you can apply, Mr. Dharmesh. That is altogether separate, but you have to go in person to IIT Bombay to attend sport round. Okay. Okay, sir, for propulsion, which company hire in old IT and what type of work we can expect? So, in India, core propulsion companies are less, already mentioned. If there are some propulsion jobs are there in companies like GE, Honeywell, Rolls-Royce, Pratt& and Whitney, but the number of options, yeah, nowadays there are startup jobs also there in propulsion like Agni Cool, Cosmos, or Skyroot Aerospace, or maybe some other startup. So these are the options are there. If you take traditional jobs, then it is G or Honeywell. Now Rolls-Royce is under it in Infosys. I'm not sure what kind of propulsion work they do. G Honeywell are the major recruiter. Okay, in India for core propulsion. Then you guys have this now in new startup channel. Okay. Sir, is interview tough for MTech research? Parthiv, they will check your basics. They will check your mathematics fundamentals and your application mindset. How you can apply concepts. Okay, for given practical problems. Okay, so again, guys, those who are watching this session, if you guys find this session is useful, guys, do give thumbs up now, guys. So, guys, I have spoken around already more than 40 minutes. Okay, so guys, uh, quickly do thumbs up if this session is useful. You guys can like this session, share with your friends. Okay, now what is the next doubt? I wrote the AE paper in the gate, and can I apply for ME2? Yes, you can apply. I don't think you will get design engineering there. The cutoff will be quite high. You can give. Like if your gate score is above around 800, mostly you'll get 700 to 800. You can apply. Aerodynamics, what aerodynamics, Mr. Nishit? What aerodynamics? Okay, so others quickly ask doubts, otherwise, we'll wind up this session. What aerodynamics? IIT Bombay aerodynamics? You mean to? You have to apply. As I already told, guys, in IIT Bombay and IISc, competition is very high from other branches also to get aerospace engineering. Okay. So quickly, guys, like this session. If this session is useful for you all, okay, no more doubt. So thank you guys for watching this session, and those who are looking future support from IGC for GATE or PSUs can call us or mail us or visit our IGC website for different courses. Okay, and you guys can also follow us on YouTube or other social media channels. You guys can join our Telegram channel. Um, Aerodynamics placements, Mr. Nishit, yes, because you can learn CFD course well, and there are plenty of opportunities I can see nowadays on LinkedIn itself for CFD. Okay, so there are high number of jobs in FEA in India than in CFD. Okay, so you can work in core aerospace companies, you can work in automotive companies, you can work in heavy industries, you can work in wind energy. Many areas are there. Okay, if you are good, CFD expert. Okay, any other question? So guys, do join IGC's Telegram channel for regular updates related to jobs, related to the gate, our daily quizzes, or many more things. Okay, so guys, thank you guys for watching this session. Hoping this session was useful, and hopefully you guys will spread the message of IGC, learn well, do well, and enjoy happy learning. Okay, we can wind up, guys. Quickly say yes. If you are okay, guys, we'll wind up. If any question, you guys can quickly write. Okay, so IGCians, we will have now ask us anything session with our team IGC, and meanwhile we may have this institute specific sessions also in coming days. And again, guys, IGC is going to start CFD course from April 13, and next gate batch from April 22nd. So if you want to prepare well in a better way with the better team, you guys can join our upcoming April batch. If you want to learn CFD course, you can join us, which is going to start from April 13. Okay, and in a day or two, we will provide the brochures and other details. Okay. Yeah, guys. Now, last thing I want from you guys, quickly, guys, all who are watching this session, please in chat box quickly do thumbs up. So, Mr. Random, Mr. VM, Parthiv, Saurabh, Devans, Shivang, Aniket, Jun, Mr. Shayad, Arnab, Prasanna, Nishit, Cynthia. I have answered for most of you. Okay then, guys, take care. Bye. Good night.